In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on GitHub branch switching in Lovable AI. This feature can be a game changer for efficiently managing and experimenting with your code within your development projects. We'll go through the steps to enable this experimental yet powerful feature, and by the end of this video, you'll be switching branches like a pro directly in Lovable AI. First things first, go ahead and navigate to lovable.dev. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll want to open your project in the Lovable editor. This is your central hub for all things development. If you're new to using Lovable AI, familiarizing yourself with the interface is advisable as it will make this process easier. Now, once your project is open, you need to head over to the account settings. To do this, look for the account settings option, which might usually be in the top navigation bar or under a profile drop-down menu. Spend a moment to explore this area if you're not already familiar with it. Within the account settings, locate the Labs section. Here, you'll find a selection of experimental features that you can toggle on or off. Look for the GitHub branch switching feature. If it's not already turned on, go ahead and enable it now. This feature can really optimize your workflow by allowing seamless branch navigation and management. Next, you need to navigate to the project settings. Specifically, look for the GitHub section within there. This area will allow you to link your Lovable AI project with your GitHub repository for more integrated version control and branch management. At this point, you will notice a new addition to your project settings, a branch drop-down menu. This menu is key. When you click on it, you'll either select an existing branch from your connected GitHub repository or choose to create a new branch, which can be particularly useful if you're starting a fresh feature or need a sandbox environment for your tasks. Once you've chosen the branch you want to work on, Lovable will automatically update your workspace. This means the files and code displayed in your editor will now reflect the contents of the branch you've selected. It's that simple. With this setup, you avoid the extra work of manually fetching updates or worrying about misplaced code. Remember, effective branch management in your projects can lead to fewer headaches down the road as you can easily isolate features and bug fixes. So take advantage of what Lovable AI offers with this GitHub branch switching feature. It's efficient, intuitive, and will certainly boost your productivity. If you run into any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for support or check out the documentation available on lovable.dev. Happy coding and enjoy the streamlined flow this feature will bring to your development tasks.